So, for today's video guys, is it yung channel natin guys. Yan, kung makikita nyo, ayan. Naano ko po yung dalawa yan. Tapos ito po, baka pwede naman po kayo mag-subscribe. Bench na sa kalam, Ernesto Dubmon 760. Okay guys. Is, magano po tayo guys, cellphone tour. Guys. Dito po yung Google natin. Yan, dito po yan.
Sa likod, para lang siyang iPhone. Pero,
Ito po yung gamit ko pong cellphone ngayon, yung Infinix Hot 30. Yan. Hot 30. Yan. Tapos may play yan guys. May play tayo dun eh. Yan. Ba't tayo lumabas? Sa kanal mo. Yan. Ayan guys. Ito lang guys. Ito po yung mga laro natin. Yan. May infinite po tayo. May Forgeliver Paper, YouTube Music, YouTube, Uparty, Xdim, Xclub, Xarena, WPC Office, FM, WeZone, with Weather, Bishop Player, TikTok Lite, Sound Recorder, Smart Scanner, SIM Toolkit, Settings, Safety, Roblox, Realboxing, PureTuber, Power Marathon, Play Store, Pixel 4D, Photos, Phone Mastery, Phone, Pan, Offline Games, Notepad, NBA Infinity, My Health, Music Player, Mobile Cloner, Mixtube, Messenger, Message, Meet, Maps, Instagram, Hi Browser, Google TV, Google Gmail, fingerprint animation, files, file manager, Facebook Drive, contacts, Compass, Clock, Chrome, Care, camera, Call of Duty, calendar, calculator, Biz assistant, anime wallpaper, and air battery, sheesh, at phone guys. Okay guys, ay na po guys. Ngayon guys, ayusin naman natin sa may YouTube channel natin is bench lang sa kalam. Magpapaturo lang ako guys kung paano palitan yung ghetto niya guys. Yan, yung ghetto niya. Yan. Paano palitan yan? Ano guys, pangalan natin dito guys. Bench. Ayun guys, .com bench 760. Ayun po yung pangalan natin. Maraming salamat po sa pagsasupport. Ito lang po. Let's go. And the bench lang sa kalam. Let's go. Sheesh.